Did you know that a single LNG plant can process enough natural gas to power over 5 million homes daily? Imagine being the critical professional who manages this complex energy transformation process. Organizations in the liquefied natural gas (LNG) sector face enormous challenges in maintaining safe, efficient, and technologically advanced operations. Companies struggle with complex technological requirements, stringent safety regulations, sophisticated operational protocols, and the need for continuous precision in high-stakes industrial environments. The margin for error is microscopic, with potential consequences ranging from significant financial losses to catastrophic safety incidents. Individual operators experience immense pressure to maintain perfect operational standards in an extremely complex and technically demanding environment. They must simultaneously manage advanced technological systems, ensure absolute safety, monitor intricate processing stages, and respond to potential emergencies with split-second precision. The psychological and technical demands create significant challenges for professionals seeking to excel in this critical industry. This certification program provides a comprehensive, intensive training approach to LNG plant operations. Participants will gain advanced technical skills, safety protocols, operational management techniques, and cutting-edge technological understanding. The course delivers practical, hands-on training that bridges theoretical knowledge with real-world operational excellence, preparing professionals for the most demanding LNG plant environments. Organizations can expect dramatic improvements in operational safety, technical competence, and overall plant performance. Participants will develop advanced skills in technological management, emergency response, complex system monitoring, and precision operational techniques. The program creates highly skilled professionals who can transform potential operational challenges into opportunities for excellence. Imagine being the professional who stands at the heart of energy transformation, managing complex systems that power entire cities. Imagine having the technical expertise and confidence to operate in the most sophisticated industrial environments. Don't let uncertainty hold you back from this critical career path. Enroll now and become a certified LNG plant operator. Your journey to professional excellence starts here. Seize this opportunity to become an indispensable energy professional.